Hey everyone, welcome back. You know, as Acumatica consultants, we all run into those little Acumatica quirks that can cause major headaches for project managers.
Oh, yeah,
And
totally.
one of the biggest ones.
Let me guess. Trying to get a clear picture of material costs from those project balance reports.
You got it. I mean, they're great for a high-level overview, but when you really need to drill down into material expenses by specific cost codes, things get messy fast.
Yeah, and then you have to explain to the project manager why they can't easily see where all the money's going. Not fun.
No, not at all. So today we're going to deep dive into a really clever solution for this. It comes from Carmeline Mascarenhas, an associate principal consultant over at Tayana Solutions.
Oh, Tiana, they're great.
Yeah, the largest Acumatica services partner out there. And with over 25 years in the ERP world, Carmeline's seen it all and solved it all, from reports and inquiries to those tricky business events.
She's the real deal. So what kind of Acumatica magic did she pull off this time?
Well, it all started with a client who was beyond frustrated with how Acumatica's default project balance report handled materials.
I can see why it can be a bit of a nightmare.
Right, like you get all these repeated entries for the same materials, and it becomes almost impossible to get an accurate picture of your costs.
Yeah, makes sense. Clients want things simple.
Exactly. This client specifically wanted to see all of their materials summed up on just one line, with the cost code breakdowns right there. Simple, right?
Yeah, sounds simple enough.
But the default report, nope, couldn't handle it. Enter Carmeline, her solution. Well, she restructured the report and added cost code grouping.
Oh, smart. So now when you run the report, you can see all the material costs broken down by specific cost codes, all within that same report.
Exactly, and for that client, that meant all their materials were finally on a single line, just like they wanted.
Ah, I bet they were thrilled. Clean, easy to understand, and you can immediately see where the money's going.
You know it. But think about the implications beyond just making a client happy. Imagine, a project manager can open that report, instantly see material costs for each phase of the project, and catch any potential budget overruns way early.
Yeah, that's huge. I mean, that level of cost control can make or break a project.
For sure. And it all comes down to those cost codes. They're like what little tags that let you categorize and track every dollar spent.
That's a great way to put it, yeah. If you're not using them effectively, you're missing out on a ton of valuable insights.
Absolutely. And this whole deep dive, it just goes to show you what's possible with some Acumatica customization.
For sure. I mean, sometimes the out-of-the-box solution just isn't enough, and that's where Tiana Solutions shines, right? They're experts at tailoring Acumatica to fit any business need.
Right on. Whether you need help with implementation, custom solutions like the one Carmeline cooked up, or just some solid support when things get tricky, they've got you covered. I'll put their number in the show notes. It's 678-910-2774.
Nice. Definitely worth reaching out if you're hitting any roadblocks.
Absolutely. So, for all you Acumatica consultants out there, I'll leave you with this. What other reporting challenges are you facing that could be solved with a little creative thinking? Food for thought. Until next time.
See ya!